Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the Microscope and Foldscopic channel Part 2 series. Myself, Dr. Vemuri SRS Praveen Kumar, PhD in Optical Coatings. Today, in this presentation, we will understand some of the features of Foldscope product, and also we can understand what are the components in this Foldscope Deluxe kit. This section will be helpful for school children to understand the knowledge of microscopic images for better understanding of the organisms which cannot be seen by naked eye. This paper-based foldscope was developed by Manu Prakash in earlier days. Nowadays, in every children are interested in research things. So this foldscope product is very useful for understanding the basic principles of biology, plants, agricultural things in microscopic level. So in this first slide we can see in the left side we can see the foldscopic product image. In the right side we can see the deluxe kit box. Let's see what are the components are there in this foldscope. Foldscoping in the days of COVID-19. Mostly everyone are working or everyone are worrying about this coronavirus. Nowadays sitting in the home feels students, children's bored. So in these days this foldscope product will be quite useful to gain the knowledge in microscopic level. So this is the product which we will get from the company Foldscope Instruments. So once we open the foldscope, we will look like the box which is showing in the parrot what's lying on the foldscope product. So in the third image, it can be seen that what are the images having sheets, instruction manual, and tweezers, droppers, tape, and so many other components of the foldscope. So what are the parts of foldscope? Microscope. Paper cuttings are there, assembly instructions for arranging the foldscope kit, lenses, their holders, droppers, tweezers, earbud for cleaning the lenses, sieve for sieving the waste particles from the liquid samples, tape, magnification lens, sample collection holder, handbook, scissor, glass, instruction manuals, all are there. So this slide shows the assembly sheet and its parts, how the foldscope can be developed by using this sheet. So this is the sheet structure and its labels. So in the left side if you see, this is the A part, and the right side that is the B part. We have to remove each part and we have to assemble in according to the instructions followed in the instruction manual. This is the sheet C, which looks like the foldscope. This lens holder, you can see there is a circular portion of this lens which it can be visualized in a clear manner. So this is the lens where we can see all the microorganisms. This is the sample holder where we can keep the sample in a clear view. So once the sample was placed and from the lens we can see from the naked eye. If we are in dark room, we can use the LED light on switch where we can keep backside of the sample. By that we can visualize the image in a proper way. So this is the very good thing children are enjoying in the coronavirus time, to understand the basic principles and basic phenomena, how the layers of onion can be seen, how the layers of uh, plant leaves can be seen, any other kind of bacterial information or any other information to understand the properties of the components which it will be used in daily life. So remaining other one more important part of this foldscope is magnification lens. Here we are getting 10x magnification lens to see in a better view for the application which we are focusing. So this is the lens holder which we can attach to the mobile camera. With that we can take the images and all other kind of information we can collect from these lens holders. So this is the assembly process which we are going to start one by one in a good manner. So here if you see, assembly instructions are clearly mentioned: first part, second part, third part, in which way we have to hold, in which way we have to fold it, everything has been clearly mentioned. So once after followed the instructions, we can complete the assembled and prepared foldscope for using in different kinds of applications. So this is the samples how we can prepare for viewing the foldscope for imaging. So here in the samples you can see feather, bird feather, human nails, kiwi fruits, any kind of fruit structures you can see using this foldscope product. So once after preparation of the sample, we have to insert the sample into the foldscope paper based product, where how we can insert the samples. Here in this image we can see in a clear view. Once after inserting the sample in the sample holder, the sample, after that we can use the smartphone to capture the images in a clear view, and we can record the videos for understanding of the image. So with this we can understand whole this part 2 of microscope and foldscopic channel gives the information how this foldscope can be utilized in coronavirus time to understand the basic principles of all the viruses which it can be comes from bacteria and other cells we can understand in a clear view. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please click like button. Myself, Dr. Vemuriya Saras Praveen Kumar, PhD in Optical Coatings. Thanking you.